Process parts and generate sales quote workflow is designed to streamline and automate the preparation of sheet metal parts to generate accurate and timely sales quotes. This includes the automated generation of routings, which detail the sequence of operations required for manufacturing to generate accurate time and material cost roll-ups. This step illustrates the automated generation of sales opportunities for the processing of incoming requests for quotes and the management of information throughout the entire quoting process. This step illustrates the automated CAD part analysis capabilities to provide CAD part parameters for automated routing generation, manufacturability testing, quoting and CAM program generation. This step illustrates the automated routing generation capabilities to generate optimal routing steps based on CAD part parameters. This step illustrates the automated generation of a sales quote based on CAD part parameters and automated routing generation and cost roll-up functionality.